Channel and particular video I'll be talking about this particular very beautiful project called VeryChat. So in particular video, I'll be talking about how you'll be able to get your VeryChat Node NFT and the various way which you can actually get this particular. The major reason why you need to act really fast before the time is off because the clock is actually clicking as at now. We are close to 18 hours, 4,000 watch hour. Please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so you can anytime I upload any other new video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp community, it is free of charge. I'll drop in the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So if you watch, this is this VeryChat app currently now. If you watch and you are very observant, you will notice that something is actually different, which was this. Yes. So if you are not having the Node NFT, you won't be seeing something like this in yours. But if you actually have the Node NFT, you'll be seeing that. And one of that is the area where you will have to actually tap on for me to actually claim my VeryChat token on every single day. But that is what I'll be doing in another separate video for every one of us. So in the video, like what I said, that I'll be sharing with us various ways which you'll be able to get your Node NFT. Let me quickly show you something that they posted on their Telegram group. So I was fortunate, lucky to be one of those who got the Node NFT in the last distribution. And looked at it, this was sent on February 3rd. He said no distribution. He said hello very chat. He said no distribution for this round will be completed today based on the snapshots taken on January 30th at 13 o'clock UTC plus 9. A total of 305 node will be distributed this round. Who will receive node? Look at this is where you should pay attention currently now. You say user who have reached level 6 or higher in VeryChat based on January 13 UTC plus 9 snapshot. Now look at the importance now. It says important no. It says user who abuse the system be excluded. User who meets the invite requirement but didn't meet activation condition are currently on hold. What this one means is that for you to get node, you know that the first thing is that you need to have 31 active referrals. But if you have 30 plus referrals and some of them are not actually active, your NFT will actually be on hold. That is what this one actually means. So mine wasn't due to 31 active referral, which I'll also be sharing in this particular video. That means if you're able to watch it to the very end. So they say if you receive a node, check your admin message in the app. So let's go. Now look at this one now. They say if you receive a fewer nodes than expected, e.g. level 8, but only receive one node, this is because your friend activities hasn't yet fully meet the criteria for the level. Once your engagement improve and remain consistent, the remaining node will be granted in future. So let's move forward. Now they say the next node distribution scheduled for February 13, which is today is February 10 now, which is 2 days from now, which you need to act very fast. So he's saying now node rules upon coming soon. He said new criteria will be applied after. See, this is where it becomes very something of great concern. They actually wants to distribute 5,000 nodes in total, and currently they have distributed 4,300, which means they have just 700 nodes left to be distributed, and it is possible that in February 13 all can actually come out for those who has actually meet up with the criteria. So they say we will release a separate announcement soon with full details. You say first time node holder, you say tap the node button in the top right of the KYC tab and complete KYC to begin claiming your reward. Thanks for. So let's go back to the app now. If you have actually received a node, the first thing is that when you log in, you see this, then you come to this particular channel chat here. That is where you'll be able to get this is the main panel where you'll be able to get it. This message I received on the day I received my node. You could see they say hello, this is the very chat team. You have fulfilled the requirement for the event and your node NFT has been successfully distributed. Now where I got my NFT distributed, that's so good. I've been claiming VeryChat, which I can actually sell, but I'm not selling. Yes, I'm holding because it has a great feature. Look, the first I claim 267, the next 118. You could see the next 104, the next 121. You can see now that my very chat I'm claiming with my node is under my wallet. Let me come to my wallet section here. Don't forget that I actually say that I will be also be sharing with you how you be able to get this your node NFT. So let me log in now with my code. How to do this is all what I've shared in other video on my very chat video, which I've created, which I'll be dropping in the description video. Look at now, very chat now. I have 613 VeryChat token which I can actually send and transfer. This one is different from the one I've actually mined. This was what I claimed from my VeryChat node. Let me go back quickly. So now, this is how I was able to get my very first chart because it was not. I'm still working to how I'll be able to get my second node NFT. You've gotten up to 32, but most of them are actually not active because when you come to the particular area, let me show you. You can see now this is my referral base. You can see we have 22 people which are actually mining. If they can just complete it to be 30 or 31 now, that means I will be receiving another NFT on the 31st. So if you're among those people that your name is here, you can see this one 11 days ago, one NFT. I still want to join this one, very chat. I'll drop you the link in one of this particular video. See, I have 22 which are very active. This is not the way I was able to get it. So the way I was able to get it, it was through here, which was I was able to get to level 6, which was one of the criteria. So if you are able to get to level 6, I'm currently level 6, you are expected to get one very node NFT, which will be given to you, which will actually be mining for you on a daily basis. And the third way which you'll be able to get your node NFT, you come to this particular area that says lucky box. But this one, your chances of getting it is very, very slim. If I tap on 10 times chances up, look at it now. The probability of getting one VeryChat token is 95%. Of getting 5 is 93%. For rain to boost is 2%. To get a boost is 1%. All this one for instant harvest is 1%. All this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 I've gotten it. But your percent of getting a very node is at 0.0001%. I haven't gotten node from here, but if you're always doing it, you can be as lucky as getting it. So these are the three ways which you could be able to get your node NFT, which will actually be mining for you. If you actually get your node NFT, then your node NFT will be true, which will be different from the one you'll be seeing here. Because anyone you claim will actually be coming to your wallet here. So I'll be doing a separate video on how you'll be able to do your KYC if you're able to get your node NFT so that your very chat token will be coming to your wallet. So if this was helpful, please can you like, share, click on the bell notification, second if to upload another video. Thank you and bye bye for now.